Intermat 2015, I'm reporting from the case stand. We're standing in front of the SR210. It says power outside, comfort inside. Could you give us some more information about that?
Yeah, so here is the case SR210 skid steer loader. It's a machine that has been upgraded. It now has a Tier 4 final engine, and it's a solution that does not require particulate matter filter nor SCR. It's a maintenance-free Tier 4 final solution. We say power outside, comfort inside, because as you can see, the cab is very wide. Actually, it's the widest in its category. It's plenty of room. It's a flat floor, very comfortable for the operator. And in terms of power, we have increased in this new model the oil flow so that the productivity of the attachments is better and better with this machine.
Very interesting. Please tell us more.